Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my craft room. But we're over in the essential oils corner of my craft room because in my last video I mentioned how much I love them and how I do so much with them. So I thought I would come and show you just what I've got and the kind of things I do, and then maybe I'll start doing some recipes. But for right now, just want to take you over there so that you can see what I've got and kind of some really cool information about the monthly subscription that I have. Okay, friends, this is my essential oils corner. These are all essential oils. These are just single oils, kind of like here's cardamom, and then this is what? Cedarwood, camphor. They're all alphabetized, which is good. These are all blends. Oh my gosh, this is a new one that they have called Liquid Luck. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Anyway, so those are my blends and my oils. Up there in the back, you can see some roll-ons that I have. This one's a good one. It's a Travel Buddy. Oops. Travel Buddy roll-on, and it's really good for when you're traveling. I hope I'm not in the way. There I am. But, oh man, look, they're falling over. There we are. It's because I'm not reaching for them straight. I actually have some calendula infused oil. This is phenomenal for burns and itches and rashes and things like that. So anyway, there's my blends. There's my single oils. And I do so much with them. There's like, this is one of those shea butter bars that I've made with essential oils that is terrific for your skin. I have bunches of recipes. See, I have tons of recipes that I've learned and that I use. Like here's inhalers. I do inhalers too. So do I have any out here? Well, these little things. So like you make an inhaler that you can take with you. These are terrific to do like a blend for traveling if you just want something that can help, or headaches or sinus, like sinus issues. It's just amazing. I've got joint pain over there, digest help, calming, so many good things. And the recipes are terrific. And I want to show you a box. This is what I usually get each month. I've got a couple of them I haven't really gone into yet because I've got some duplicate oils. The cool thing about this subscription is you can look at your upcoming box, and if you already have the oils, you can substitute them out for other oils or blends or roll-ons or other things that you need. So this is like one of the boxes that you get every month. I will do an unboxing of the 7th month box, which is the same as the initial sign-up box, because it will come with your first box, but it will also come with 6 months supply of these little roll-on bottles so that you can make blends and you know, you can have them like those roll-ons. They come with the little bottles like this that I have some up there where I've made diffuser blends and things. And the cool part is they come with recipes, which is perfect, but they also come with all these little labels. So as you make the recipes, you can label them, and it's got the little stickies for the tops of the bottles. So if you store them in like a drawer, you can look down and see what they are. That's just handy. And like, you can look at my box and you can see that I have done essential oils for way longer than I've had this subscription. But when we were in the military and you move a lot of things you can't take. So when I got here and I discovered this box, I thought, well, that will be a great way just to replenish the oils that I kind of lost in moving, and I've just loved them. And in a minute, I'll take you over to the computer and show you a couple things why. But in that initial box and the every 7th month box, like I said, you'll get the containers that you'll need for all the upcoming recipes for 6 months. And throughout, you'll also get fractionated coconut oil. You get regular coconut oil. And if a recipe calls for almond oil, that will be in the box for that month. Things that have come in the box, they did like a soap making, so you've got goat milk soap base. They send you that. They send you wax. If we did candles with some of the recipes, they'll send you beeswax, because that's actually used in a lot of like bars and balms and things like that. And even make your own makeup. This is cranberry powder. You're going to make your lip gloss and things, and blush you can make with that, even eyeshadow. I love that they sell these tubes also. These are biodegradable tubes, and I will make things like this shea butter balm. In here, I make deodorant, which I have not purchased deodorant for years, actually, and I've used this, and it's so much healthier for you because there's not all the chemicals. I'm such a believer. When I travel, I have one of these little doodads, and it has little pockets here so that I can put like some of my little roll-ons for when you travel. This is great. Peppermint roll-on, that's for headache. So that fits in there real nice. So I have that. Sometimes that'll go in my purse when I'm really traveling, like when we're going to be gone for a week or two. I have this, and this actually is really wonderful. This one, you can put full-sized oils in, and you can put like your, I will put these in a plastic bag though in case the top comes open. But you can put things so that you can make different blends while you're traveling. So I love that. But this is, see, I'm a believer, man. I do these things, and I think they're amazing. So let me show you a box, and then I'll take you over and show you why I love these oils. So here's one of the monthly boxes, and you'll see in this monthly box, this one, oh, I got a couple goodies I ordered. And you can go on and order stuff and just have it added to your box, and then there's no shipping. This one has sea clay in it because we're going to make a mask, a fabulous mask. It's got, I don't know if I ordered the lip balm containers or if that's part of the recipe, but I'll see. Little lip containers. This one evidently has recipes that will require castor oil. And what is this? Vegetable glycerin. And oh, here's some more beetroot powder. And let's see. Each box will come with all the things you need for the recipes. And it will come with 4 full-sized oils. These boxes are $39.99, I think, a month. But if you use my link and sign up, you get your first 5 months $10 off each. So that's $50, which will make them $29.99. But these oils are full size, and because you buy them direct from the manufacturer, you don't have to pay like incredible prices. They're so affordable if you want to buy them individually. But here's what we're going to do. Here's all the little, they always have a roll-on, and then they've got different things. And here is, we're going to do Natural Beauty Essential Oil Blend. We'll look at that one. And then this is Beautiful Skin. So this is a skin one. This will be a hair growth support serum. And on the back of the cards, it gives you the oils and tells you what they're for. Hair growth, hair grow and flow hair mask, shiny lip balm, and I've read reviews on that, and people love it. They always have a diffuser blend, so there's a Natural Beauty diffuser blend. Then there's a soothing facial essence, and this is the one that you're going to use the vegetable glycerin in. There's a Beautiful Skin roll-on, and so there's those. So it's just great. This is what I ordered. I love these. These are so cool. So this is a car diffuser. And you put your oils and distilled water in there, and then you just tip it upside down, and they absorb into the wooden top and up the little rope, and it makes your car smell wonderful. So some of the recipes, oh, and you can go to the website, and which I'll show you in a second, when you look at the oils, it gives you a complete breakdown. Plus, they have a YouTube channel. If you're learning, they have a YouTube channel that will go into each oil and tell you the benefits of it and how it's made and what the most important chemical in it is, which is the chemicals that are in there is what gives it its benefit. And so you can see on my recipes, like look at all my recipes. They even have ones for dogs, like there's bug repellent. There's some for dogs here. They've come out with fur and skin conditioner, a paw balm for, like when your dog goes running with you, pet odor eliminator spray. Love this. Tick and mosquito collar. These are great. There's tons of roll-ons. I have a bunch of my own, like these are all diffuser blends that I have. I used to buy my essential oils, just at the store, like the health food store and stuff. But I'm kind of weird about the fact that I like how these are all uniform bottles and they all look the same. And I don't know, that's just me. You don't have to do it that way. Also, when you sign up, if you're like, well, I don't know, because I don't know about essential oils really, really very much. They actually have an essential oil hero course, which I like because if you're a beginner, it's phenomenal. It explains all about oils. It explains about what note they are. So if you want to make your own blend, like a bottom note is a much heavier fragrance and it would overpower the other one. So this will tell you how to, the blending factor. So how many drops per other drops to make things, correct. And then they have like different, I don't know, here's module 1. tells about essential oils. And then it will have, there's actually a Facebook group for the people that are in this course, because it has you make your own blends and you post them there and you talk about them. So it's literally a course. If you buy this course, it's like $400, but it comes with the subscription. There's Dilution 101. It's just really cool. So I think that's worth it too. But I'm going to take you over the computer and show you what I think is really cool about the oils and the information that you get from this company. I just wanted to show you my shelf of stuff. I have lip balm containers. I have little inhalers. These are great. These made really nice little containers for eyeshadow. You make your own eyeshadow. Bunch of these roll-on containers and the little diffuser. I call them diffuser bottles, but you can use them for all kinds of things. Love these. These are those little, they're like a deodorant container. They even had a stress ball one time and get you the balloon that you can put in there. These are little containers. They're like little silicone things. They remind me of the things that little silicone things that you put like your Purell little hand sanitizers on your purse or bag, but they fit these round roll-on bottles. Oh my goodness, what else do we have? Beeswax, all kinds of different, oh, this is the kind of coconut oil you will also get in your initial box. This is solid. I got aloe vera gel. Oh, and I'll show you something about that, which was amazing. But just all kinds of stuff. I'm a believer. I'll take you to the computer now. Okay, here we are at the computer, and it's simplyearth.com. This is where I've gone. The thing I wanted to show you is, one thing I think that's amazing is that because this company believes in human trafficking, like preventing human trafficking, they actually have 13% of the profit that they get goes to fight human trafficking. It's amazing. And each month they have a different group that they highlight. It tells about them. These are the different groups that have done already. But they do 13% because they explain that is the average age of a child that gets into human trafficking. So I really like that about them. Also, when you go shopping, there's single oils and blends. There's all your carrier oils, roll-ons, and accessories. But I want to show you something I think is really cool about the single oils. Let's just say you're going to check, I don't know, lemon. Let's just go with lemon. If you click on lemon, it will come down here and it shows you the commitment to quality. I'll come back to that. But it shows you the reviews. They always have a good review. What people have done and their thoughts about it. But they also will have recipes for that oil. Fruit and veggie wash. Did you guys know you can make fruit and veggie wash with that? A sink paste, which is amazing. And different oils that will coordinate with it. But they also have details, and the details tell about the oil. It'll tell what it does, like lemon energizes, cleans, cools, stimulates, uplifts. Details about it, about where it comes from. And I should show you on a bottle label, but it shows you and what it blends well with. The main constituents, which are limonene and pinene and terpenine. And the reason that's important is because those are what make the essential oil effective. How do they know how much is in them? How do you know that the oil that you're getting is a quality one? Because they have this. This is like the only company I know that you can look up the test by lot, and you can see the test. I'm going to grab a bottle here so I can show you. You can see when the test was done and by whom and what all of the report is on all of the chemicals that are in there. So you can literally see each lot and what the chemicals are and what makes it effective. So I'm a firm believer. Also, to show you this, on the bottles themselves, every time you have a bottle, it will tell you, there's your lot number. It tells you if it's child safe and what ages. It tells you what plant part it came from, where it originated. This is frankincense. It's from the resin in India. The ingredients, it tells you what the ingredients are, and these are which that is like the scientific name for frankincense. And it also tells you what the aroma is. And it gives you a little warning if this is something that shouldn't be around children or pets. And these are 100% pure, 15 mil, and I love them. So anyway, that's it. If you're interested in this, you just go to the Simply Earth page, and you go to get the box right there, right there. And sometimes they have goodies. Like sometimes they'll have a little diffuser in the box. Sometimes they'll have other little goodies. But see, this would be your first free box. You'll get this one. Oh, so get a free car diffuser with a new recipe box. That's one of those things I showed you. You need to do that. And then $213 value currently for the box, for this box. And then you also get free all of those things to make it up. Anyway, so this is a really long video. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you. Hang on. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching that. I didn't know that so many people were interested in essential oils the way I am, so I will do some videos on things that I make, recipes that I have, ways that I use the oils. But I wanted to show you. And you know what? This is just, these are the oils I prefer. I don't want people coming. There's people that sell them, different brands, people that buy from other people, people that are super loyal to a certain brand. That's fine. You guys do that. I'm just promoting the use of the oils. If you want to do this company, great, good on you. If you don't, that's fine. I just want to show you how great these are. So this is a blend called Bumps and Boo Boos. The reason I like this is because it already has 4 ingredients. It's got tea tree, lavender, lemon, and helichrysum. And I like that because those 4 things are antibacterial and stuff, but helichrysum helps prevent scarring. And so I have this in a kind of a skin healing gel, which is actually one of their recipes. I tried it and it's amazing. So anyway, I have that in aloe vera gel, and I put it on this twice a day, 2 or 3 times a day, whenever. And it's almost like it's so good. And I will show you a picture of what it looked like after this. But that's pretty nasty. So it was an icky thing. I was actually worried about it, but I started using the oils and the aloe vera, and it looks, I mean, I could easily cover that up with a little concealer if I want to, but not bad. So that's only about 2 weeks and 2 days old. And when you see what it looked like, ew. So I'll post that right now so you can compare. Okay, you guys, this, I couldn't get the picture to upload, so I put the picture on my computer and you can see it. But you can see, well, and I had a sensitivity to the Band-Aid there. But see, oh my gosh, that's after about 2 days or 3 days when I got to take the initial surgery bandage off. But you can see the difference is incredible. So what'd you think of that? Pretty icky, huh? Anyway, so I will try to come up with some recipes that I will post here too. And, you know, as always, thanks for watching.